Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So lately I've been getting lot of comments on which lipstick shades I'm wearing, and you guys seem to love it a lot, so I thought why not sit down and give you those lipstick swatches along with a honest review on the lipsticks which I'm wearing lately. And for today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Sugar Minis liquid lipstick collection. And yeah, now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam so that I could reply to all your comments, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, also press the little bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. And yeah, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Here comes a quick disclaimer. Although all the links will be present in the description box below, I don't encourage you guys to go ahead and purchase it at the moment, because you guys know coronavirus is widespread and we can't trust on online shopping, or we don't want anyone to deliver to our place because it risks both of our lives and we don't want to get into that situation. So I would highly recommend you guys to not go ahead and purchase anything online जब तक situation ठीक नहीं हो जाता. Now yeah, so this is how our packaging looks like. It is black in color. It is very sturdy, steel wala material hai. And when you open, you guys could see 4 liquid lipsticks. Now this lipstick is the one which I'm wearing at the moment, although uska cover I don't know kahan pe chala gaya hai. So this lipstick which I'm wearing at the moment, I personally love this lipstick a lot. Now this is a Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick and it's in the shade 08 Wine and Shine. Now the best part about this particular Minis liquid lipstick collection is you guys could go ahead and pick up your favorite shade from the bunch of shades which are available on their website. I purchased 4 color shades which you guys could see. Now this is how the applicator looks like. I hope the camera is able to capture. It is very chotu sa tiny, which you guys could carry it everywhere, very much travel friendly, and I am 100% sure you guys could this could last a really long time. The 6 months to aaram se chal jayega. And when I open it, it looks something like this. Now let me swatch it for you guys to show you how it looks exactly. I believe the formula is really good. It is very sturdy and it sits on your lips very smoothly. It is a liquid lipstick and it lasts for really long time. I took a test for an entire day and guess what guys, it passed. Even though you spill off lot of water over it, it won't go off. So yeah, that's the best thing about Sugar Cosmetic ke lipstick. Although I believe they are very budget friendly. And the box which I am going to show you guys, it retails for just rupees 7.99 and it consists of 4 liquid lipstick. If you guys divide it by 4, it comes out to be 200. So I think 200 ka ek lipstick is very good, along with the shade range which it gives. It's a very good purchase. Now the next liquid lipstick which I have, it's in the shade 17 Fiery Berry. Again, the shade is really good. It is more on that maroon reddish side and I just love this shade. Nowadays, since I'm experimenting a little bit with my makeup stuff, so I thought why not go ahead and try some bold lipsticks. And yeah, I think that's a really good purchase. I pretty much love the color. Stay is really good. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this shade as well. the next shade which I have is 25 Very Mulberry. Now I have been wanting to get my hands on mulberry shade since I have seen many bloggers using this kind of shade. Now if you guys could see, ऐसा आपको लगेगा कि जो shade मैंने पहले दिखाया maroonish red वैसा similar tone है, और it's not like that. It is more on, you know, जैसे हम Halloween के मेकअप करते हैं तो थोड़ा एकदम मॉवी मलबरी शेड जो होता है एकदम डार्क ब्राउनिश टाइप वैसा है, एंड छोटू सा है. आई जस्ट लव इट. आई एम ऑब्सेस विथ दिस पर्टिकुलर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स, एंड जिसकी वजह से मैं हर मेरी वीडियो में यही लिपस्टिक्स यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम अ बिग टाइम फैन. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स. Now the last lipstick shade which I have for you guys is 10 Drop Dead Red. Now ये वाला लिपस्टिक मैंने पहले भी यूज कर लिया था, but that was not in the mini version. ये थोड़ा बड़ा वाले इसमें था, and that costed me around 499. So I think this is the best buy. मतलब 800 में 4 liquid lipstick मिल रहे हैं, and this could easily last you for 6 months. So yeah, that's a very good deal. Now this is also something, you know, एकदम जिनको चटक रेड कलर पसंद है ना, उनको ये शेड बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. If you guys are wanting to have some sort of red color lipstick in your closet, then this is the best one to go ahead with. So yeah, I pretty much loved it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeBetaFan so that I could reply to all your comments. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also press the little bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comments down which is your favorite shade from this liquid lipstick collection. I would love to know it from you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.